Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to share games on Steam. So first you open your Steam and log into your account. After that, on the top right you will see your profile icon. You just click on that, then you click on account details. Then here in the left section you will see family management. You click on that, and here as you can see there is two options: either to join a family if the one that you want to share game with is already in a family, so you can join the same family and play with and share with them your games, or you just simply can create a new family and ask your friends or the people that you want to share the game with to join your family. So you just basically click on create a family, you enter the family name. So here you enter the family name and you click on create. After that you will see the page with a button to ask you to invite people. You just click that button and enter that person's Steam account name, and just simply like this, then you go and accept your invitation, and that's it. You can play and share the games with them. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.